Hi folks, Barry from Barry's Bench. Welcome to the intro to the new camera shop build for my own 30 pizza box layout. What we will be building is the Clever Models Central Camera Kit. My wife and I will be working on new graphics to change the sign name. We always like to customize our stuff that we're doing. So I'll be doing a slightly different sign. I'll keep the Kodak sign, change out the name and such. Let's see how that goes. So here's all the sheets, all printed out in a 110-pound cardstock from a color laser printer. So first step is to review these, look at the instructions, and do some planning as far as supporting the walls, because there's an interior here for lighting and such. So I need to figure out sign lighting, interior lighting, as well as how to brace the walls with the interior in there. So I need to do some measurements, see how much space the interior takes up. So I properly planned everything. So stay tuned, folks. The build's going to be a fun one. Everybody, take care.